Okay, this is the piece we took off the car. So now we're going to remove the leather, and we're going to be needing the drill, this needle nose, and this upholstery tool, and these two. So we're going to start with this one. We need these because as you can see, we got some screws to take off from right over here. This piece comes right off. And it's stapled on there, so you have to pull it off. More screws to be removed from here. And this comes right off. Staples. Okay, we got it all off. See? And we're going to redo this. So that'll be the next clip attached to this one. This is the sewing machine I used to sew the leather. And this sewing machine I got from Amazon. I had to use this piece here for when I reused this here, this plastic. I was afraid that the needle was going to break, but no, it did fine. And it had foam here. I used headliner material on that there. This was reused too. And I bought the leather material to replace this. And this here, I had to take apart and use it as a template to do that piece. So I thought I would share that with you. And another thing I found out about this machine is that it comes with the double stitch needle, which makes it nice if you have to have double stitch on the outside. And these are the extra accessories it comes with. So I haven't had to change the needle on it. It did great on that plastic piece and on the vinyl leather. All right. Okay. I had to take this piece, and these here broke off, so I had to super glue them with this. It didn't have these. I mean, it's supposed to be the same as these, but it didn't have them. So I had to take an upholstery little clip and cut the back off, like so. And then kind of shave it off a little bit, and then glue it upside down to be able to make that there work for me. So now we're ready to install this. And hopefully it'll be fine this time. It. Okay, we're ready to complete installation. Adentro del center console, viejita. How did you